Governor Greg Abbott handed out the checks today to people whose homes were destroyed or damaged in the catastrophic Hill Country floods. This is the second time Abbott has personally delivered checks to survivors of last month's devastating floods that left many without homes. The money comes from the Straight to the Heart benefit concert hosted by Texas music legend George Strait, who raised more than $7 million to help families affected by the flood.
What this organization is, their goal is to make sure every single one of you is going to have 100% of the money that you need to completely rebuild your home. And so this is not the last check that you will get unless this fully provides all the resources you need to rebuild.
At least 135 people died in that flash flooding, and tonight there is still one Camp Mystic girl missing.